Hello friends, today's model is Vlookup Formula. Vlookup Formula, that is the vertical lookup formula, is used to find the record based on the criteria. So I have this report format for which I need resource business return forecast usage, and my base data is this. So for instance, let's start is to Vlookup. Now you can read here lookup formula works like the look for a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a value in the same row from a column which we have specified. Okay. So VLOOKUP, now my lookup value is this because I want to fetch the record or return the value for this record from the array. Table array is this, that is the table range. And this is the column which I want to return 1, 2, and 3. Column index number is 3, then false, that is the exact match, and that's it. So you can see all the fields are populated. I need not to drag it because I'm using table format by inserting it from tab insert and table, which I'm using, and that's the reason it's been auto populated. Now we'll use it again. Sorry. Okay. Then lookup value is this, and again now I want another column within the same range. You can specify whatever the range you want. Now I want this column, and this number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 false. So you can see all your report is ready. All the records are populated. You can use VLOOKUP formula in the same Excel as well. That is the same tab as well by inserting a column. But always make sure that the key value is at the left side, else the formula will not work. So yeah, that's it. We will come up with the VLOOKUP and if solution in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my video. Thank you so much.